friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in Zilliqa in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, please kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. A lot of people are not subscribing my channel. Why are you selfish? Please kindly help me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see what changes occur in Zilliqa in the last 1 hour and the last 2 hours. Let's see. As you can see now on the screen, the live price changes occur in Zilliqa in the last previous 1 hour. Oh my god, it's a bad time of all Zilliqa holders. As you can see now on the graph, the graph tells us that the Zilliqa falls down continuously and very badly like a rocket. As you can see here, they are falls down. The changes is also a negative because the chart falls down. The chart graph tells us that the Zilliqa crypto falls down in the previous last 1 hour. So the chance is also a negative 0.17% chance occur in Zilliqa in the last previous 1 hour. And the high price of Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour is $0.175073 is the high price of Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see what chance occur in the previous 2 hour of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the market. Oh my god, the last previous 2 hour is a very good, absolutely good. As you can see now on the graph, in the last 2 hours they are trying for jumping upward, as you can see, but now currently they are falling down. As you can see here, they are falls down in this period in the last 1 hour. So the changes is also positive in the previous 2 hours, but soon they are negative because the graph falls down, because the Zilliqa falls down in cryptocurrencies market. As you can see in the last 1 hour result for Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, so the changes is in positive 1.77% occur in Zilliqa in the previous 2 hours. And the high price of Zilliqa in the previous 2 hours is $0.175073 is the high price of Zilliqa in the last previous 2 hours. So that's the live price prediction of last 2 hours and the last 1 hour. You are watching now only on ABS Tech channel. So don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies markets.